We start our July 4th specials. We've got all kinds of specials for you this week. And we're going to start with LI Fabrics. And these fabrics today and tomorrow are going to be $12.99. We've got 100% viscose. You know, florals are one of the biggest things. Tomorrow night in our webcast, florals are just everywhere. And we're just going to talk about them. This is a great viscose, 100% viscose, stretch in both directions. It's just beautiful. It's a black background, of course, with all the beautiful colors. This is just a pretty piece of fabric. It is a silk cotton poly blend. It's a beautiful black. It's a stretch woven. Great for a little jacket, pair of pants. Just really, really a beautiful deep black. It goes with this very well. I put in kind of tops and bottoms that would go together. This again, 100% viscose, great drape, great feel. It's so soft, stretch in both directions, and really just a popular color, and again, a great floral. And then it's got the navy, and so I put in this cotton poly. This is a denim. It's a stretch denim. It has one blue thread, one white thread. Very lightweight though, very soft, very drapey. Not like a typical denim per se, but it's still a denim in every sense of the word. And then we have a cotton poly. This is a textured blend. This would be beautiful for a little cardi. Stretch in both directions again. Cotton poly blend. Look at the floral there. And then this is 100% cotton. This is a file. By file, it just means that there are little tiny lines in the stitching. It's a milk color. It's not a white. You can see it's perfect for pants, jacket. It's beautiful. It is a woven, 100% cotton, but it's really pretty. And you can see it blends with this really well. These go together. They go together. They all go one with another, you know, but I put two together, and two together to really give you some combination. So again, today and tomorrow for $12.99. Happy sewing and happy 4th of July.